it is good to ask ourselves, why do we give up something during this season? Why do we fast and abstain? Why do we sacrifice something? Why do we need to drop something during this season? The answer is not for any dietary or personal pursuits. It is rather our love offering, our ability to share the goodness to others. Nasa mga binibitawan na po natin, sa mga sinasakripisyo, sa mga nilelet go natin sa mga panahon na ito, may nabuhay na iba, makapagmahal tayo ng totoo, at maisip natin yung kapakanan ng iba. Fasting is not about saying to others, I have donated more than you, or to say, I have sacrificed more than you. No. Our fasting is our love offering. Our fasting is amor benevolentiae. When we are called to give up on something, when called to fast, yes, there will be something that will be taken off from us. But let us think of love. Think that this is our humble offering to others, and know that this will be for the good of others.